back to my YouTube channel. So I'm today gonna do this soft doing makeup tutorial. So let's get start this video. And me covering my hair. My channel every day different makeup tutorial videos. So subscribe. And me first apply moisturizer. And this is my skin so soft. And this is a concealer for orange character. And this is the foundation. And this is the foundation stick. And this is the setting powder. And contour your nose. First apply white eyeshadow and my eyes. And second apply golden eyeshadow. Now apply me golden eyeshadow in my under eyes. Now let's make egg shell. Now eyeliner, thick, small and thin. And this is the mascara. Now apply me blush for skin color. And 3 mole on your face. First your eye corner, second your nose, third your cheek. And compulsory highlighter, your apply eye corner. And your nose. And this is a pink shade lipstick. And the last setting spray. And completed my makeup. you like my makeup, so like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.